latest atmospheric observations indicate that low pressure area has formed over Southeast Arabian Sea near Lakshadweep area as on 13th May. And as IMD has forecasted, the system is going to further intensify. It is going to be a well-marked low pressure area. That is a next stage intensification of low pressure area. It will be well-marked low pressure area by 14th of May. Then on 15th of May, it will further intensify into a depression, and between 15th and 16th of May, it will intensify into a cyclone. This system will move mainly northwestward, and it will move towards the coast of Gujarat. It will reach near Gujarat coast by around 17th. Now, this is how the system is expected to move as per the numerical weather prediction model outputs. It is going to be over the East Central Arabian Sea, parallel to the western coast of India. Though it is not expected to cross over to Goa or to any part of Konkan, there is going to be impact of rainfall and wind speed over the entire western coast due to this system. So the rainfall activity is going to increase over Goa from around 15th of May. From tomorrow, there will be increase in rainfall activity. The distribution may increase to scattered rainfall. On 15th, we can expect fairly widespread rainfall, and 16th and 17th, there will be widespread rainfall activity over North and South Goa districts. So along with this increase in rainfall activity, from 15th onwards, we can expect isolated heavy rainfall, and on 16th and 17th, we have to expect very heavy rainfall also, that is rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters, that is called very heavy rainfall. Now, if we quickly go through the warnings that has been issued by IMD. On day 1, we are expecting isolated thunder shower activity over Goa. On day 2, that is on 14th, we are expecting again the distribution to be slightly higher, light to moderate rainfall we are expecting. Along with that, thunder shower activity also we are expecting at isolated places. Now from 15th onwards, we are expecting the winds to pick up. We are expecting thunder shower activity and heavy rainfall at isolated places. Then along with that, the wind speed also is going to slowly pick up by 15th. We are expecting winds of speed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting even up to 60 kilometers per hour along and off the coast of both the districts of Goa. Now on 16th, we are expecting very heavy rainfall with heavy rainfall also over scattered places. Along with that, the wind speed is going to increase slightly higher. Now it is expected that on 16th we will have the highest wind speed among these 3 days, where it will be 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70 kilometers per hour on 16th of May. On 17th also we are expecting very heavy rainfall, but it is most likely that the intensity of rainfall will be slightly lesser than what that was on 16th of May. Still, very heavy rainfall is expected, and wind speed of slightly lower category, 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. This is expected on. Warning is for fishermen. Fishermen are requested, they should be back to the coast. Whoever there are in the deep sea, they should be coming back and returning to coast with immediate effect. And fishermen are advised not to venture into Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, Maldives area from 13th May, East Central Arabian Sea along and off Karnataka coast on 14th May, and they should not venture into East Central Arabian Sea along and off Maharashtra Goa coast from 15th May itself. Now, if we talk about the other impacts, the sea is expected to be rough, very rough to high over East Central and Arabian Sea along and off Karnataka coast on 15th May, and it will be very rough to high over Maharashtra and Goa coast from 15th and 16th May. Along with that, like it was mentioned earlier, squally winds of speed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60 kmph is very likely on 15th, and 50 to 60 kmph gusting to 70 kmph is along and off the coast of Maharashtra and Goa is very likely on 16th May. So it is requested that please be regularly updated with the warnings and forecasts issued by IMD in these coming days. The warnings and forecasts are available on IMD's website as well as on its social media platform accounts. So please be regularly updated in coming days as there is a significant weather system that is forming over Arabian Sea in the coming days.